So this is the upper to mid-rise bank. And this is the lower mid-rise bank.
Okay, I'll just do
At AON Center.
Yeah, we're only like halfway up. It's like, here we are.
Huh. Where are we going? Oh shit, wait. Why are we going up?
55th
The fuck?
floor. Lower deck loading.
What the? Oh crap. Wait, is there anything even out there? Shit, there's like literally nothing out there. Oh crap, the lower deck's loading. Oh, here we go.
46th floor. Going down.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good, how about you?
Alright. I'm doing Instagram selfie photo.
I'm actually into elevators.
Okay. Okay.
These are some of the coolest in the city.
45th floor. Going down.
44, sorry.
What?
That's how I meant to with the 44, sorry.
Oh, no, you're good, I don't mind. I got all the time in the world. I'm waiting where
Lower
my
deck
friends have.
loading.
Oh, okay. A friend has a tour here, so I figured I'd film the elevators when he's there.
Okay.
44th floor.
Have a good one, man.
Going down. Going down.
Going down?
Yeah.
What floor? Lobby?
Thirty-ninth floor. Going down.
And then at the end he goes, oh, this is my vision. Oh, sorry.
Tim's like, what do you mean that's your vision? That's what we just discussed here.
I feel like Province changed the tune as far as
Upper level.
going down.
Going up.
Here's the lower deck.